This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your page color in Google Docs. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have a little example project opened up here in Google Docs. To change your page color in Google Docs, first thing you want to do is go up to the File tab in the upper left-hand corner. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Page Setup and click on that. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, right in this area right here, Page Color, you want to click the little drop down there. And then from here you could choose a variety of colors here, or you could click on Custom. And then you can insert a hex number, or you could choose from, you can move this slider here, this hue slider, to choose a color. I'm going to go with this right here. I'm going to click on OK. Then I'm going to click on OK again. That is how you change your page color in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.